Everyone, in this video I'll show you how to de-bloat your local Git repository for maximum performance. So let's get started. So first and foremost, you don't have to run the Git Fsck, that is the connectivity and validity of the object. So it is just like a integrity check. We verify that the local .git, so something like this, that is added in all repository once you initialize a git, so that is not in a error near state and everything is valid before continuing with the garbage collection. So git gc is a command that helps you clean up unnecessary file and optimize the local repository. So I'll just show you a few of the repositories. So this is frequently used Windows batch script from Abodi. This is just the maintenance and it does not hamper anything. It does not add anything new. So as you can see, it is around 80 MB in size. So you have to do terminal in this path and open it and run this command fsck full. It will do a full check. Once everything is successful, then let's run git gc --prune is equal to now. I'll add the commands in the description so that it is easy to copy and paste and then write out in your own local repository. So do note that Github, Gitlab and all the repositories have their own maintenance cycles that is run every month or every week or every year to keep repositories in tip-top condition. So what you're doing is there will be no changes that is committed, so everything runs or everything stays within your local repository, as you can see now. So before that, I'll just open up the properties, and it is around 80 MB like I said previously. They'll use all the available threads, so even hyper threads as well, so more the better. Now we run git gc aggressive. You see, it was earlier I think I forgot to show you. It was around 25 to 26 megabytes. Now it is reduced by 3 MB. Since we had the earlier properties open, we will just open a new one now, and you see 4 MB reduction, which is not significant, but if you are adding a lot of data in and out, new reports being generated, this will save a lot of disk storage if you are running out of disk very frequently. First, let me just do pull. So always pull the latest changes before running it. So fsck full, you have a lot of dangling commits, so it will actually fix all these things. And like I said, so since this is a significantly small repository, now I will run git gc prune and then finally run git aggressive. Git gc aggressive, that is under 1 megabyte now. Not a whole lot of changes, but yeah, so from 1 MB to 100 KB, it's a big difference. I think that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.